Hi, you're back. Hello, hola, konnichiwa, wagwan my Irish fam. Big up to all my new subscribers and all my long time supporters. You don't know my family members, everything up, what going, what's popping, what's going on. Why I can't sleep, so I'm just up and I'm gonna just watch a video. So, you know, watch with me? Are you guys gonna watch with me? I got my chips, I got my tortillas, and salsa dip because this one is gonna be nice. Yeah. I found this nice video. It says 10 things not to do in Jamaica. Interesting. Interesting. Okay, let's get. Wait, how the camera so lean? Are the tripod lean or the tripod lean? I think. Oh, the video not come out lean. And last time that's something here did lean. We fix it in the last video. Okay, now ready? It's the popcorn and stuff because apparently this channel is brought to you by Destination Tips. 10 things not to do in Jamaica, and it seems like they have, well actually they have videos on 10 things not to do in many countries. Wow, they seem to know their stuff. They seem to be well traveled. How do I open this? Alright, we started now.
But there's much more to Jamaica than great music and gorgeous weather.
That is so true. There's much more to my beautiful island than great music and awesome weather. Let me start off nice.
Know before you go. 1. Don't forget about the State Department. You should know before you travel that both sexual assault and armed robbery are common throughout the nation, in some cases even inside gated resorts.
Hold on. Didn't that him start with? Excuse me, sir, where are you from? And you talk about sexual assault and armed robbery. And this man here eat strawberry. So we got arm the man who eat strawberry. Which part in the world them something here no go on? Japan is one of the safest places, and people talk about harassment and people are follow them around all the time. Like, this is the first thing you start with. Turn me off already, but me hear what you have to say. Out of that.
2. Don't expect help from the cops.
Don't expect help from the cops. Don't call our police officers cops. It's either police or Babylon. Has this man ever been to Jamaica? Wait, no man. No talk, sir.
The Jamaican police force is universally underpaid and understaffed. Their attention is mostly focused on more serious crime, so a tourist's stolen camera doesn't rank high on their list of priorities.
Then you know what? Now get myself in any trouble. A tourist stolen camera doesn't rank high on the list of priorities. Where in the world is a tourist stolen camera is ranked high on the list of a police officer's priorities? Are they sitting around waiting for a camera to be stolen, sir? I want to have a talk with this man.
3. Don't try to get around without a driver.
Why?
In Jamaica, they drive on the wrong, left side of the road.
So in Jamaica, we drive on the left-hand side of the road, and it's the wrong side of the road. So when them drive on the left-hand side of the road in Japan, it's the wrong side of the road. When they drive on the left-hand side of the road in the UK, it's the wrong side of the road. That's one of the things you should not do in Jamaica. get a driver because we drive on the wrong side of the road. Wow, just wow.
It can be a little perplexing, but for a small fee you can hire a driver for the day to help you get around efficiently and safely. 4. Don't backpack through Jamaica. People who backpack through Jamaica essentially put a target on their back, attracting the worst of the island's criminal element. Your best bet is to spend most of your time in highly populated areas.
Don't backpack in Jamaica. Spend most of your time in highly populated areas. Thief no like to see thief with long bag. That's all me have to say. No sir.
Where you spend your vacation will determine what there is to do. Love the nightlife? Then Negril has tons of thriving hotspots. Taking your family for some fun in the sun? Montego Bay is full of family-friendly resorts. Want to experience Jamaica's inland paradise? Check out Ocho Rios.
Things not that are part of the 10 things not to do. This video is
6. Don't look at the merchants. When you're browsing at the shops on the island, avoid direct eye contact with the merchants. They will take it as a sign that you want to buy something.
then duh, if you look on something, I must ask a lady, you want something to buy? Come on over here. We have the lovely stuff them. Which seller don't appeal to their buyers like that? I'm gonna look on Chinese slippers or the Japanese board slippers, and the man come out and, oh, you wanna try on one and whatever. Don't look at the merchants, they will. So that 10 things not to do in Jamaica. Look like him couldn't find nothing to say.
But if you're just looking, keep your eyes on the merchandise and not on the owner. 7. Don't use American dollars. While good old-fashioned greenbacks are welcome on the island, you should consider using the Jamaican dollar. You'll find that you don't have to worry about exchange rates and the locals will appreciate.
We appreciate the US dollars.
8. Don't get uptight. 8. Don't get uptight. The entire country is filled with people who are looking on the bright side. And while they're eager to please, they're not in any big hurry. So you shouldn't be either. No one wants to hang around with a grumpy tourist.
Whether you're uptight or not, we love you, we welcome you. All of white people and people who don't look like Jamaicans. If you get uptight, we find a way to get you calm down. But yeah, grumpiness is not a part of our thing. You don't know? Yeah, iris, yeah. We listen to them and I almost finished. Annoying.
Don't be afraid to explore.
Don't be afraid to explore. So that's one part of the 10 things not to do. Okay.
There is a heck of a lot more to the island of Jamaica than just lounging on its world-class beaches. There are a lot of great shopping spots and natural beauty like Dunn's River Falls. 10. Don't worry about finding a good beach. The best part about Jamaica is that no matter where you book your reservations, Jamaica will have a pristine stretch of golden sand waiting for you. Don't spend a ton of time trying to find the right beach. They're pretty much all that beach.
Yeah, well, that's true. Beaches are like, you know, we have some of the most beautiful beaches, but I mean, there are beautiful and there are beautifuler and there are beautifulest beaches. So anyways, I don't know what else to say about this video. It just start off on the wrong footage that annoy me and get me in suppers. Let me know what you think in the comment section. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Click the subscribe button and the bell beside it, and I'll see you in the next video. Boom bang, I'm out.
Don't get up